looking for loyalty. Say you want me to trust you, but that's hard for me. I'm about to tell this, I'm gonna get permanent scars for me. I done ran out of love looking for loyalty. Say I done ran out of love. I done ran out of love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a Sephora haul. I had went to Sephora and picked up a few things that I needed. This haul is so long overdue. I've been got this stuff like way back in like November. But if you guys want to see what I got in my haul, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, you know, the gloss balm, and I got it in the color Hot Chocolate. I don't know if y'all can see that really good, but anyway, Hot Chocolate. And this is what it looks like. I use this all the time. I really like it. I can use some right now. It even smells so good. I love Rihanna's gloss bombs. I have the other one, like the original one. I forgot what it's called. But I have that one too, and this is my second one. The hot chocolate, and I like the color of it. It's so pretty to look, y'all. Oh yeah, by the way, if y'all see my eyes a little bit red on this side, I don't know. I guess I have been rubbing it, but I don't have pink eye or anything. It's just red on this side. So I don't know. But we're gonna keep going. Okay, next I got from Fenty Beauty was this Hydrating Longwear Foundation, Pro Filter Foundation. In the color 390. Let me show y'all what it looks like. I don't know if I can get it out. Jeez. It just comes in a tube like this. I hope this is my color. It has like the little, I like the little squirt bottle. I mean, not squirt bottle, but the little pump. But yeah, this is what this look like. And I said I got this in color 390. Hopefully it matches. I haven't tried it yet or used it yet, so hopefully it looks good. Okay, the next thing I got, what is this right here? Oh, this one else I got in there. Okay, the next thing I got was Milk Makeup. I had been hearing about this primer, and I wanted to give it a try. So it's called a Milk Hydro Grip. It looks like this. I'm sure y'all have seen it before, but yeah. So like I said, I haven't used any of this stuff. Hopefully I can do something like a get ready with me or something like that in the future to show y'all like if I really like this stuff or if I don't like it, what's what. Okay, and then I wanted to get some cleansers and things like that. So oh my goodness, this just fell out. But anyway, I got this one. It's called the Inkey list, and it's the acid brightening cleanser. So this kind of package it comes in, and this is to clean your face, and this is what it looks like. Cute packaging in black and white, real simple. And I don't think I can smell or anything. Now I gotta take the thing off of it. But yeah, I just need a new cleanser, and it says it helps to brighten skin and gently remove makeup. So I'll be trying that out to see if I like it or not and give y'all an update. Okay, the next thing I got was the Oat Cleansing Balm. And this is as well from the Inkey list. Okay. It's pretty much the same packaging. Well, this is, I can tell this is kind of thick, like a cream. And this, I heard this is good for removing makeup. And it says help remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. And I think the consistency of this is like a cream. I can tell by how it's kind of squishy. Like, let me take this off real quick and see. Can y'all see that? It ain't coming out. Well, anywho, I don't know what this thing. Still not coming out though. But anyway, it's supposed to be like a cleansing balm. So I'm gonna use this mainly to take off my makeup. Cause usually when I take off my makeup, I like to use some kind of balm or like oil. I have the Clinique makeup removal oil that's like in I think it's like a purple little squirt thing. I keep calling it a squirt, but that's not a squirt. It's like a pump. Like I have the what do you call it? I have the to go, not to go. What is that? Mini travel size. That's what it is. Travel. I have the mini travel size. The makeup oil, but I want to give this a try. Cause I think the Clinique, like the big bottle, is like probably $34. So I want to give this a try to see. Cause this was for the low. It wasn't even that much at Sephora. I'm not sure. Is there a receipt in here? Yeah, let me see how much this thing was. Okay, by the way, I hadn't gave y'all prices, but the Hydro Grip was $16, the Gloss Balm was $19, the foundation, it was on sale for $16. It was $20 off. The Brightening cleanser was $10.99. Yeah. And I guess this was $10.99 as well. Okay, so that's good. And I also got for my birthday. Yeah, this is for my birthday, I think. Yeah, happy birthday. So this is happy birthday. But anywho, this is my little free birthday thing. I have been wanting to get these to see, you know, what they talking about. This is the Brazilian Bum cream, and this is the Coco Cabana cream. So I got these, the mini ones for my birthday. Oh, that smells so good. I love like anything that's like coconut, cocoa butter or shea butter, like any like. This smells good too. I can't think of what this smells like, but it smells really good too. I can't wait to use these and see what it's hitting for. I just got like all this stuff, just throw it over here. Okay, what else I get? And the last thing I got was this Sephora Mini Mania. This is basically like, you know, a face set for your face. And it comes like in this cute little pouch, travel size. So it's good for travel. I'm supposed to be going on some, you know, a few upcoming trips. So this will probably be good for travel. Dang, if I can open it. Hold on. Okay, so I finally got it open, y'all. So let's open this. I'm just pull the stuff out of here. Okay, this is a super hydration, all day hydration. I don't know what this is. It just say all day hydration. So I guess it's like a moisturizer. Face moisturizer. Like a lotion or something. This is the cream. This is brightening eye cream. So I guess it's supposed to be like a little just, you know, set to, you know, for face, wash your face and stuff like that. Overnight glow mask. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, all of it got this stuff on it. Let's see if I can smell it. This smells like it's like really calming. Like it's got like some green tea in it or something. Okay, I'm not even gonna worry about putting it back on. Okay, the next thing we have is the clean skin gel to cleanse and tone face, eyes, and neck. So yeah, this be like I said, this is a good little set to take with you on vacation and stuff. Everything is already miniature. Or like if you don't want to invest in like the bigger sizes, just get this and, you know what I'm saying, try everything out. This is the triple action cleansing water. So yeah, and the last thing is the Ultra Glow Serum. So like I said, this is a whole little kit for you to cleanse, for you to moisturize. Then you have a cleanse, moisturize. You got a serum, brightening eye cream, and then you have the face mask. So it's like a cool little set to have, you know, and to try out and see if you like it. And I also got a sample of the brand Fresh soy face cleanser. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna get out. I think I have used this before. I think I have got some, when I did Ipsy, I got some samples of the Fresh and I really liked it. So I think I'm gonna like this. And I think I like the Fresh brand. So if I really like it, I'm gonna get it. And does it say how much this set was? No, it doesn't, because I ordered that offline. So I don't know how much this was. I ordered it offline. So I'm not sure how much it cost, but yeah. And I was so mad, y'all, when I got this, because my, you know, that Sephora have that, like, that 20% off sale, and during that weekend, it was my birthday weekend, so I was out of town in Houston. So I missed the sale, y'all. I was so mad. I had got a Sephora gift card and everything, so I didn't get none of my stuff on sale for like the 20% off, or I think I would have got like 10 or 15, but I didn't get any of my stuff for 4% off because I missed the sale. I was out of town, so. But yeah, that is everything for my Sephora haul. So please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, so you know what I'm saying, see in the future videos how I use these products. And if you got any suggestions or questions or anything, just comment down below. And I'm so sorry, y'all, I'm clapping. It's just I talk with my hands, so sorry about that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I done ran out of love. I done ran out of love. Say I done ran out of love. Say I done ran out of love.